In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recruiters on LinkedIn. If you're job searching, networking, or simply trying to get your profile in front of the right people, knowing how to find recruiters on LinkedIn can make a big difference. The good news is that LinkedIn already gives you several built-in ways to do this, and once you know where to look, the process becomes much easier and much more targeted. The first place to start is the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn dashboard. This is your main tool for finding people across the platform, so instead of browsing randomly, begin with a focused search right there. When you search, use smart keywords. A good approach is to combine terms like recruiter or talent acquisition with your industry. For example, you might search for recruiter marketing, talent acquisition healthcare, or recruiter software engineering. This helps LinkedIn understand exactly the type of professional you want to find, instead of showing broad and less relevant results. After you run the search, click the People filter. This is important because it removes other result types like jobs, posts, and companies, so you can focus only on individuals. From there, narrow your results further by location or by company. That makes your list much more useful, especially if you're targeting a specific city, region, or employer. Another effective method is to go directly to a company page you're interested in. Once you're on that company's LinkedIn page, click People. This lets you search within that company's employee base. From there, look for terms related to hiring, such as recruiter, talent acquisition, or hiring manager. This is a great way to identify internal recruiting staff at companies you actually want to work for. You can also use the Posts tab to find active hirers. Search for keywords like hiring along with your job title, then switch to posts. This helps you find recent content from recruiters and team members who are actively looking for candidates right now. It's especially useful because it shows you people who are currently engaged in hiring, not just people with recruiter in their title. Finally, look at live job listings. On some LinkedIn job posts, you'll see a section called Meet the Hiring Team. This can point you directly to the recruiter or job post creator connected to that role. If that section appears, it gives you a very direct lead without requiring extra searching. Used together, these methods can help you find the right recruiters faster and with much more precision. The key is to search intentionally, filter your results, and focus on people who are clearly connected to the roles or companies that match your goals.